We're rolling.
We're rolling. Okay, here we are. I'm here with my friend Sunshine, and we decided to order the silkworms. The silkworms are very jumbo-sized, way bigger than what they look like on TV when I see people eating them. But I'm going to go ahead and try it anyway. She said she doesn't like them, so what does that mean?
Are you supposed to shell it?
Is it good?
How's crunchy, slightly bitter, hot taste? I'm going to have another one. You can't tell just by one, I'm sure. Do you want one?
No. I've got a liter.
Another better hot. What's that? A little bit gooey inside, and crunchy on the outside. Probably reminds me of what a cockroach would taste like if you ate one.
Sunshine, are you sure you don't want one?
No.
Okay, that's probably good.
One more.
One more? Okay, I'll do one more. Okay, here's one more. Okay,
You're a better man than I am.
that was good.